Hey everybody, welcome back to Pro Cal Garage. Thanks for tuning in once again. Here we are with the Chevelle project. A couple things that I will cover on this video, so make sure to watch the entire video. If you want to jump to certain areas, you'll be able to jump with the timestamps located down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A couple things I will cover today: how to remove the drip rail, how to remove the inner steel dash, how to remove the rear windows, and finally what I did in the interior when it's completely done for now with some edge primer. Ready for when I come back, I'm ready to paint it and finish it up. So, one step closer to removing the chassis from the body so I can really deep dive into that chassis, remove all the suspension, grind it down, and get it ready for me to start putting some nice new parts into this car. I can't wait. So that's going to be the next project moving forward, just hitting that chassis. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Hope you liked the video, and stay tuned for more. Thanks. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and remove the door. If you're doing this by yourself, you might need something else to help you hold the door because it's pretty heavy. So I use my cart here, made it into a chair, okay, and it'll sit here when I remove the door. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Alright, this is the good part. So I'm going to open it slowly because it's already going to tilt down. There it goes. It's perfect. And there we go. All right. Pry this right behind it. You'll see the little metal piece. It's like a little clip. It clips in. So what you want to do is you want to place this here, and with the hammer, hit it on this side. Okay. All right. That way you guys can see what it is that I'm doing. So here, place it right there and give it a nice little hit. See, it's coming out. Alright. Just keep bringing it this way. And popped already on that side. Alright guys, well, I've been using a couple tools. Okay, that's to strip the paint. Alright. Also, if you don't have a 40, 50 gallon, 80 gallon compressor, this is a good alternative. Wire wheel, batteries, can't go wrong. Alright, let's get started. Ain't that a beauty? Now, we don't want to create too much heat, obviously, because then it'll start warping the metal, but, you know, nonetheless, look at that. Nice, quick, and easy. We're going to continue doing that for the whole car, little by little. If you want to stick around, go ahead or fast forward. For the windows in the rear, we will have to remove the 3 stops, which are 1, 2, 3. After we finish taking those 3 stops off, then we're going to have to loosen it from the top with these 2 here. Once we loosen these, then we're able to remove the whole unit with these 4. So I believe that's it. Might be this one as well. All right, well, let's get started. Now this one we're going to take off so that way we can remove the rail. I'll push the rail out. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the ones in here. Okay, now we're going to take these and we should be good. Oh, there we go. Definitely have to clean this up and re-grease it. That'll be nice. It's gonna be interesting. Oh wow, wasn't too bad. All right, it's out. Awesome. As you guys can see here, this is really rotten. Chances are, I was thinking about repairing this little piece here, but looking at the rest of it, and not only that, but looking inside, it looks like the damage is pretty significant. So I've decided to take this whole piece off, and that's what we're going to be doing. Guys, that's it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you guys get notified when new videos are posted. And also feel free to leave some comments. Thank you. Till next time. Stay tuned.